Hey fam, welcome to my channel. I am Darika. If you're new here, please by all means get comfortable. Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Look around at the content that I create. If you find that you like it and you want more, please like and subscribe. And for my returning subscribers, I want to thank you for coming on back. Remember that you all are always welcome in my house.
Hold up. Wait a minute. This ain't your house. You at my place today.
Hold up. You told me to make myself comfortable. You said, when I came in, you said, feel at home. Make yourself at home. Feel at home. What's wrong?
All right.
You told me you gonna show me. You told me you was gonna teach me how to screen print. You told me that.
Yeah,
we gonna do that.
We gonna do
okay.
that.
Well,
Yeah,
hey, I'm making myself at home. Let's go.
We good. Did you get finished with your design?
Yeah, I got finished with my design. I'm gonna do this Dallas Cowboys design. You know that's my favorite team, so you know I had to get my boys on here.
Really? Everything we just went over, right?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, I'm gonna hold this one for you.
Thank you.
The tape is right there. You just put that tape on there on each 4 of the sides and put it upside down. But the sticky side's facing up.
You go a long ways, right?
Yeah, the wider it is, the more it'll stick. You know, it'll have more sticking area on it.
Okay. Turn this thing.
So I should do the first one, let you do the second one to give you a refresh.
Oh yeah, do that.
Okay. And open up, come around to this side and do this thing right here. Turn it on. Oh, you can just let it go. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. I'm trying to get over here. Trying to get to where. And you just lay it down.
This way, right?
Yeah.
I don't know why it's gonna go in there.
Turn it the opposite way, the picture. Turn the picture towards you, like the word, yeah.
Oh.
Cause I needed to clean that thing up. And then pick that black thing up and put it inside. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, push it to the center. And close it on.
Right there.
You have to lift that thing up when you close it down. You'll see what I mean. See, like this. And just hit start. Go and take it off, and you can just grab the other part. You ain't gotta worry about that. Just grab the screen, and then take that tape off. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Peel the picture off. You're supposed to be doing it where they can see. They can't see that. And spray some water
on the other side, right?
Both sides.
That's enough.
Yeah. Don't spray so much, cause spray it, cause it's gonna make a mess on the floor. I was just trying to do it where they can kind of see. Okay. Just go to take it off, and you can just grab the other part. You ain't gotta worry about that. Just grab the screen. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Peel the picture off. You're supposed to be doing it where they can see you. They can't see that. And spray some water
On the other side, right?
on
Other
both
side.
sides.
That's enough.
Yeah. Don't spray so much, cause you know, spray it, cause it's gonna make a mess on the floor. I was just trying to do it where they can kind of see. Okay, that's good. They can kind of see it a little bit, and you can take it over to the sink, and you can sit that over on the sink or,
Right there.
Flip the screen around. I may have to put some more water in there too.
Do the back.
Turn it. Now just wipe it off. You can wipe it off if you want to. My bad. They can't see you.
Oh.
They looking at your back.
Sorry, y'all.
And just wipe that other side off, and then try to get some of the water. Alright, it's almost good. Just the bottom part, a little bit more the name. All right.
Just gonna slide these
You can turn it around over here, and you can put that the one with the most detail in it. We gotta line that one up first.
right here or right here.
It don't matter. On just two beside each other. And you can just keep going. Just keep going, and we'll fix it at the top. Alright. So, alright. Now, just go ahead and print it. Start at the top.
Go
and
back
push
the
it.
other way.
Yeah, push it. You gotta lean it some when you're printing. You see how pick it up and start back at the top. And now is when you're putting pressure on it. Putting more pressure on it. Stop it. Once you pass your design up, stop right there. You don't have to go all the way down.
Okay.
Lift it up. Let me see. Alright. That came out pretty good. We're gonna turn this around, and I'm gonna grab this. And you covering the camera. I don't believe you want to film. You ain't trying to make no videos. I'm gonna move this out the way. Come on, this out for just a sec. And I'm gonna move this out the way. I'm gonna just put this on here, and I'm gonna move them screens once I put this on here, so we can see how this. I have not been drinking or none of that stuff.
I don't know.
Let me see.
Why you say you covering it?
So we can line it up, and I left a part out. I can't never do this right. I mean, it's different ways you can do it, but I just was gonna do it this way today, so we can. Okay, so now what we do is we take this other screen right here, and you see how we got the registration marks and everything? we gotta line this up. So find these registration marks, and we are basically just trying to line everything up perfectly with this. If I can see. And bring it back here. And now push it again. Alright. That's it.
Pick it up.
That's it.
Oh, that's
That's what it's gonna look like right there.
so pretty.
She just did her first screen print, y'all. What you gotta say about that?
I did good, y'all. I like that. I mean, I'm gonna be a professional screen printer before I leave here.
Alright. Alright. And this shirt is shrunk up. It's shrunk up because this is a polyester shirt. Alright. And you can take it off and show it to the camera.
They like, what is this?
Look, it kind of looked bad, y'all, because it was printed on top of another print. But she did good.
I'm getting it, y'all. I'm getting
And you
it.
can put it on the dryer to go through. All right. Make sure you don't have no ink or nothing on your hands, and you can get started. You can dry that off. It's probably dry.
Okay, y'all, we finished. Look at our look at my Dallas Cowboy shirt. Look at that. Y'all like it? Hard day's work. Hard day's work. When I mean hard, it was hard.
They ain't gonna want to sign up for the classes now. I'm just messing with you.
I'm just playing, y'all. This the white one, and this is the charcoal gray one. Did I do good? How I did, y'all? I did good. I got a good teacher over here. Okay. I get it. I do. You ain't ready to leave my house. But guess what? You ain't gotta go home though, but you gonna have to go to my next video. Please like and subscribe. Until then, bye y'all.